So I took it out, and now what we have left is the AC cooler, that one there, and then down there I had problems. Down there, here there is those power steering buttons, about power steering lines. Those are clipped into the radiator. They also are very much oxidized, rusted. So that will be my next video, how to replace those for the electrical power steering. That is gonna leak sooner or later. And now what I have to do is I have to wiggle the new radiator in here the way it came out. So that's going to be interesting without breaking it. Well, here it is. Oh, and then the rubber joints you have to take from the old one, put it in the new one. So there we go, and that's gonna go in here. It's not going to be fun.